What if your fingerprint could automatically log data into Google Sheets? No phone, no keyboard. That's exactly what we are building today. In this video, I will show you how to connect an AS608 fingerprint sensor to an ESP32-C3. And every time a fingerprint is scanned, it will send data like the username, timestamp, ID and status directly to Google Sheet. So let's get started. We will require the following components for this project: ESP32-C3, AS608 fingerprint sensor, 16x2 I2C LCD, breadboard, and some jumper wires. The AS608 fingerprint module is compact all-in-one fingerprint processing device that combines an optical sensor with advanced fingerprint recognition technology. It's designed to be small, energy efficient, and highly reliable, making it perfect for DIY electronics and security projects. It consists of 6 pins: ground pin, RX pin, TX pin, 3.3 volt VCC pin, T out, and T3V3. Connect the 3 volt pin of the fingerprint sensor with 3.3 volt on the ESP32-C3. Connect the ground pin to ground. Connect the RX pin of the fingerprint sensor to D6. Connect the TX pin of the fingerprint sensor to D7. Connect the VCC pin of the I2C LCD with 5 volt of the ESP32-C3. Connect the ground pin to ground. Connect the SDI pin of the I2C LCD with D4 and SCL pin with D5. Before we start enrolling fingerprints, we need to install the Adafruit fingerprint sensor library. Next, we will install the I2C LCD library. Now upload this code to enroll the fingerprint. Now to enroll fingerprint, open the serial monitor in the Arduino IDE. Here you will see a message asking you to enter the ID number where you want to store the fingerprint. Simply type the ID and press enter. The fingerprint sensor can store up to 127 different fingerprints. So each user can be assigned a unique ID number. Once you enter the ID, the system will ask you to place your finger on the sensor so it can capture and store the fingerprint template. When the image is taken and image converted, remove finger, then again place the same finger again. And that's it, we have successfully enrolled our finger. Now that our hardware is ready and the fingerprint sensor is working, it's time to take our attendance system to the cloud. First click on the Google app icon and then select Sheets. Next click on the blank sheet to create a new spreadsheet. Give your Google Sheet a meaningful name so it's easy to identify later. We will be using 5 columns to store the data: date, time, name, ID and status. Go ahead and create these 5-column header in your sheet. Now click on Extension in the top menu. Then choose App Script. Once the App Script editor open, give a name to it and copy and paste the provided code into it. After saving the script, copy the script ID from your Google Sheet. Return to your main code and paste the script ID where required. Then click on the Deploy button in the app's script editor. Click on New Deployment. Then choose Enable Deployment Types. Select Deploy as Web App. Under the Access option, select anyone and click Deploy. Choose the Google account you use to create sheet. When prompted, click Go to fingerprint-based attendance system and save, and then allow to give the script access to your account. Once deployed, you will receive a deployment ID. Open code and paste the deployment ID into the appropriate section. Now let's see the practical demonstration of this project. First, let me show you Google Sheet where all the fingerprint data will be recorded. As you can see, the sheet contains columns for date, time, name, ID and status. Every time a fingerprint sensor is scanned, the system will automatically add a new entry here. Now I will power up the ESP32-C3. As soon as the board starts, you can see the 16x2 LCD display that the system is initializing and getting ready to communicate with the fingerprint sensor and the internet. Now I will place my finger on the fingerprint sensor. You can see the LCD display, access granted. At the same time, the ESP32-C3 send the data to the Google Sheet, including the date, time, username, ID, and the status in. If I scan the same finger again, the system will recognize it, and this time it will send the data again to the Google Sheet but with the status out. This way, the system can automatically keep track of entry and exit record in real time. So that's how you can build a fingerprint-based logging system with ESP32-C3 that automatically store data in Google Sheets. Using this project, you can easily create systems like attendance tracking, access control, lab entry monitoring, or employee time management, where every fingerprint scan is recorded in the cloud in real time. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and interesting. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more IoT and electronic projects. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.